Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back again to the channel of job. In this video, I'll share with you job openings from Saudi Arabia. I hope you know this. This is a Gulf country, so the opportunity is from Saudi Arabia, and you can get free ticket and free visa if you will selected in the client interview. So before that, we should know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job. All the details you can discuss in this video. So let's start. This is the openings for multiple jobs in Saudi Arabia. An international EPC company requires for their facilities management divisions. So this is completely free recruitment and online interview in progress. Electrical engineers, this is the job profile. So what is the requirements? Any degree in electrical engineering with minimum 5 to 7 years of experience in the maintenance of LB system, relamping, lighting works, DBS, etc. So this is the profile, job profile, which is the openings, electrical engineers, and for this you should have the proper engineering degree with minimum 5 to 7 years of experience. And for HVAC engineers, if you are belongs to the HVAC professionals, you can apply for this job. For HVAC engineer, you should have a degree in electrical engineer with minimum 8 years of experience in HVAC field, capable of technical and administrative management, and lead the team of supervisors and technicians. Key jobs tasks of HVAC engineer. Civil engineer. For civil engineer, you should have degree in civil engineering with minimum 5 to 7 years of experience in building maintenance, including carpentry, painting, and masonry works management, and lead to the team of engineers, supervisors, and technicians. All candidates should have a maintenance experience in their respective field. Attractive salary with free food and accommodations. The location of office is Mumbai and in Kochi, which is in Kerala. So and which is in and also have a office in Chennai. So and the office name is Seagull International. This is a very high profile and very old companies who provide manpower to international level. So I am suggesting you please visit to the office, and if you are near to Chennai, you can visit to the office. Directly contact by this number, and if you are in Kochi, then you can contact this number and you can find the office, and if you are near to Mumbai, then you can contact in this number and near to the office. Before that, I will suggest you, first of all, this is the openings from Saudi Arabia, and the job profile available: civil engineer, HVAC engineer, and electrical engineer. So in these three professionals, for which job you want to apply, make your CV be professional and forward it to the given official email ID. You can forward by this email ID if you are near to Mumbai, and you can forward by this email ID if you are near to Kochi, and if you can forward by this email ID if you are near to Chennai. So after you forward your CV, you can contact your nearest office, and you can visit to the office, and you can attend interview online. So if you reach to the office in any three offices, Mumbai, Kochi, or Chennai, then you will get all the information regarding this job openings. So I hope you understand all the things. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. First of all, I would like to repeat you. This is the urgent job vacancies from Saudi Arabia, and electrical engineer, HVAC engineer, and civil engineer openings. So I already explained what is the basic requirements to apply for this job and how you can apply. So I hope you know all this process, and this is the official address. See, this is the official, which is very important information, which is in Mumbai, and you can visit the office if you are near to the Mumbai. First of all, I would like to repeat you, if you want to apply, then you can apply by this official email ID nearest your office, Mumbai, Kochi, or Chennai. After you apply by forwarding your CV by this to this email ID, then you can contact this number to get the interview details. And if you want to visit directly to the office, you can visit the office in Mumbai directly, and this is the address. So let's focus the next recruitment. Free recruitment of Saudi Arabia, and urgently required for an international steel and metal manufacturing company is looking for the project and turnaround department. Shortlisting in project progress. Position available: engineer turnaround, BS in mechanical, electrical engineering, or a closely related engineering discipline. Minimum 7 years experience in turnaround management, including planning and execution preferred in steel industry. Experience in turnaround planning software such as Primavera, P6 and any other and end-to-end solutions for the turnaround and outage management. SAP system proficiency is also requirement. Project management professional PMP certification is preferred. And for this requirement is for the position of engineer turnaround. And you can see here engineer project. What is the requirement? BS in mechanical, electrical engineer in or a closely related engineering discipline, minimum 7 years of experience requirements, and engineering design construction phase experience with the knowledge of engineering practices in the applicable international engineering course standards and specifications must have PMP, PGMP or equivalent certifications. For planner project, BS engineering requirement and minimum 7 years of experience also requirement. SAP knowledge is excellent. And for supervisor construction, you should have a diploma or bachelor's degree engineering preferable 9 years of experience requirements. For engineering cost, BS engineering preferably in mechanical, electrical, industrial construction, production or closely related discipline. So minimum 7 years of experience requirement for this all profile. Should have experience with the SAP system certification in project management. For administrator, diploma or bachelor's degree in engineering preferable, should have a maximum 5 years of experience in solid and constructive continuous experience as a professional administrative assistant or personal assistant. Work in shortlisting interviews will be between the 10 to 6 p.m. So you can visit to the office. This is the excellent salary will be provided, and this is the official address Asia Power. I hope you all know this is a very good and a reputed of company who provide manpower to the international clients. So this is the official address, this is the office name. You can visit directly to the office and you can attend the interview by visiting to the office. So I'd like to suggest you please visit to the Asia Power overseas office consultant's office and you can attend the interview for these above positions. So I hope you get all the information regarding these job openings. I would like to share with you a very important point. These all informations I already provided in the descriptions below this video. So I would like to suggest you please go to the descriptions below the video right now and you can read all the informations regarding this Saudi Arabia job openings so that it will be helps to you to identify for which job you can apply. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. I hope you will share these informations who have a dream to move Gulf country or international job. Then they can apply on the time and they can visit to the office and they can fulfill their dream to move abroad with a job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time, and I hope in the next video I'll share with you the important job openings, new job openings from other countries. Till then, best of luck. Goodbye.